The problem, they say, is that Chavit Singson and Atong Ang are both key witnesses in the impeachment process when it reaches the Senate.
Ibig sabihin ng Korte Suprema, pwedeng magpatuloy ang Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, pero tungkol lamang sa investigasyon kung pwede nating illegalize ang wetting o dapat natin i-privatize ang wetting. Hindi sinabi ng Korte Suprema na maaari kaming magpatuloy ng aming investigasyon maski nakakapasok na kami doon sa mga impeachment charges.
Santiago indicated today she will push for inhibiting all senators who have already questioned Governor Singson and Ang since they prejudiced their roles as judges in the impeachment proceedings.
That case will probably come to us and in effect, therefore, we'd be replaying our proceedings. And therefore, the charge of prejudging would become valid at that point. Kaya sana'y kusa na lang kaming maghinto.
That is your view, but I have a different view. Binasa ko rin yung Supreme Court decision and I thought that is a blanket authority on the part of the members of the Blue Ribbon and the Justice Committees to particularly continue this process we are now doing.
Senate leaders doubt just as much if the motion for inhibition will flourish at all in the chamber.
The inhibition will be addressed to the members of the Senate and they should that this matter will be addressed to their sound discretion.
General rule is that it is left to the individual senator to make the determination whether he should be inhibit himself or not.
Bobina Brito, the National Network, at the Senate.